Alright, here's an unboxing of the Canon 60D. I got this through the Canon loyalty program. You get about 20% off if you trade in an old Canon camera. It's body only. This is the packet of CDs and books and manuals and stuff like that. This is everything it comes with. It's refurbished. Body. And the pack of accessories. Video cable, 60D branded strap, LPE6 battery, USB cable, charger. This is the body. It looks pretty brand new. Has a screen protector, a film. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it right there peeling up. Just kind of when it comes new. No scratches. It looks pretty new, and you can see, I don't think you can see it, it's out of focus, but there's a dot usually right there at the end of the serial number, like they poke a hole to indicate it's refurbished. Yeah, that's it. Let me get my old XTI to compare it to. Alright, here they are compared side by side. The refurbished Canon 60D, and this is actually a refurbished Canon 400D or XTI here in the US. But this one has a Targus battery grip, I think. Pretty sure it's Targus. It was pretty cheap, but it still works pretty good. And you can tell the difference in the size. Even with the grip, it's still pretty comparable. Let me take the grip off. I can really tell the size difference now. And the grip, my pinky almost holds on. I have big hands, really big hands. So I'm probably gonna have to get a grip for this one. That's what I liked about having the grip for the 400D, the XTI. The grip on this one is way smaller. This finger, my pinky's way down here. This finger barely holding on, like it doesn't have enough room. You can tell the grip. That's it for the unboxing.